Why does your scanner show the P1B77 engine code? What does it mean? P1B77 is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid or electric vehicle battery 49 circuit high voltage. This engine code indicates that this error means the inverter capacitor did not properly charge to the correct voltage during startup, which can cause the vehicle to enter a safety mode where it cannot be driven. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: pre-charge relay or contactors, high voltage battery issues, moisture in the system, blown fuse or faulty safety plug, wiring or component failures. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai Sonata and Kia Optima models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.